What is up everyone, welcome back to another brand new video here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your PS5 DualSense controller to your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you want to control your Android smartphone features and game using your PS5 controller, then it's really easy to do. Let me show you the process. Now to connect your device, just go ahead and swipe down from the top and tap and hold the Bluetooth option in order to get into the Bluetooth settings. So once it's started scanning your device, now this is the time to take your controller into the pairing mode. Now to do that, make sure your controller is completely turned off and you need to press and hold the PS and the share button together until the blue light is started blinking right over here. So just go ahead and press and hold the both button together. Once you see the blue light is blinking, go ahead and release the button, and then I'll just go ahead and tap on scan again, and here you'll get to see the device wireless controller. In order to connect, just go ahead and tap on wireless controller and you'll get a pop-up. Just go ahead and tap on pair, and here as you can see the wireless controller has been successfully connected. Now you can easily control the features and games from your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So guys, this is how you can easily connect your PS5 controller to your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or any other Android device. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll catch you up in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.